Draw Learning. Hello everybody, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw Catboy while we learn Spanish. We draw the head, that in Spanish is said, CABEZA. Now his mysterious eyes. Mysterious in Spanish is said, MISTERIOSO. Very good! We draw the arm. Arm in Spanish is BRAZO. Let's go with his legs. Legs in Spanish is PIERNAS. Fantastic! The drawing is looking very good. We draw its tail. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say tail in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use dark blue, that in Spanish is said, AZUL OSCURO. Come on guys, it's looking very... Now we use light blue, that in Spanish is said, AZUL CLARO. Let's see if you know the answer. Tail in Spanish is cola. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.